Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve a common problem you may be having with the Steam application. This says that the Friends Network Unreachable. This failure may indicate that your local network is offline or that the Steam Friends servers are currently offline. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, on how to resolve this problem. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First thing I recommend doing would be to actually just wait a little bit and see if the servers come back online. More likely than not, it's an issue with Steam's own servers. So if you go online and do any research or check out, Twitter, or go ahead and search and see if there's any bug reports, if there's other people complaining about the same issue around the same time that you're having your problem, there's a good chance that the servers are having some downtime and you're going to have to just be patient and wait it out. If it's definitely on your end or it looks strongly like that, we can go ahead and make a couple of changes on our system here, or at least hopefully resolve the issue. So we're going to go ahead and jump into that. We can try resetting our network settings. So in order to do that, you would open up the search menu and type in settings. Best match should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Left click on network and internet on the left side. And then on the right side, you want to select advanced network settings. You want to select network reset, reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as a VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. So you will be signed out, so go ahead and just close out of everything and then restart your computer. You will need to have your Wi-Fi credentials nearby before you restart because you will need to enter back in those credentials if you want to get back online once our system restarts here. If you're using an Ethernet-based connection, you don't have to worry about that. But pretty straightforward process here, guys. So once you boot back into the Windows, you attempt to connect to the Steam servers once again, and then hopefully that error message should no longer be present. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.